Hi again. In this video I will show you a really cool website to get cool wallpapers, high definition wallpapers such as this one. As you can see, the moon, just something cool I found, and they are really high definition, like you cannot get better. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your web browser. In my case it's Firefox. Then I want you to type in www.google.com. Okay, when you're at Google, type in abstract wallpapers. And search. Okay, see this website here, abstract wallpapers -HD wallpapers. I want you to go there, so click on that. It's happening a lot these nowadays with my internet. Don't know what the problem really is, but whatever, at least it opens. Okay, once we're here, you can see here on the left we've got the list: abstract, animals, cars, celebrities, computer, movies, nature and landscape, travel, TV series, Christmas, and Obama. Okay, here's the one that I use. This one here, the moon. There's like more than 10 pages of each theme. So let's go to computer themes, since we're messing around with computers. Okay. Computer HD wallpapers. So here's the whole thing: Radeon, Xbox Live, Linux, Firefox, Windows, Linux. Here's the iPhone. As you can see, these are all the wallpapers. There's 10 pages or more of each thing. Okay, let's see. Another really used one are cars. Cars. This is the website. I'll put it on the description link. I'll put the link in the description. Sorry. www.hdwallpapers.net. Here are some really nice cars. So let's see. I like nature and landscape are really cool. It's a really cool theme for wallpapers when they're really well done. Let's get one that's cool. See some trees. Ah, this one looks cool. Okay, here when you first click to download, this will open. Just save file. Okay, once it's downloaded, close everything. Here, this is it. This is the file. You just double click there, double click on that, and this will open. It looks small here, but you just need to right click and set as wallpaper. And just close all that, and there you go. That's the wallpaper. You can see it's really high definition. Probably in the video won't be so perfect because I don't know what happens when I put my videos on YouTube. The quality gets much worse. And well, that's it. I'll put the website on the more info tab in the description. If you want to know how to get this rocket dock, check out my channel in the tutorial playlist. I've got it. And also, if you want to know how to get the Zoom theme, which is this black and orange Windows XP theme, also check out my tutorials playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more easy to follow and helpful tutorials.